Welcome back to the Versus series, where we're not only going to go through each sector of the stock market to try to find the best dividend stock, but we're actually going to be looking into the industry and even sub-industry within each sector, again, to try to find the best dividend stock within each. In today's video, we're actually going to be crowning the best advertising stock within the media industry, within the communication services sector. If you guys find this kind of content interesting, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos every Monday and Friday. Now let's get to the content. As mentioned in the intro, we're going to be crowning the best advertising dividend stock in today's video. If you guys are interested in seeing how Interpublic Group of Companies got here, please check out the last Versus video that's going to be linked at the end of this video. Once again, we're going to be using the same criteria that we used in the last Versus video to compare these companies. If you guys are returning and do not want to see the criteria again, there are going to be chapters at the bottom of this video, so you guys can just skip right on to the comparison. All right, so the guidelines and criteria for this video is the stocks will need to be not only in the same sector and industry, but they will also be in the same sub-industry for a direct apples-to-apples comparison. They will also be presented in a mystery fashion to keep the suspense until the end of the episode, and then we will also look at the following. We're going to look at the market cap, which we're not giving any points for this. We're just trying to really see how close these companies are to each other. In the growth section, we're going to be looking at the revenue year over year. We're going to be looking at the revenue 3-year CAGR. Both of those are from Seeking Alpha. Then we're going to move on to profitability. In profitability, we're going to be taking a big look at the gross profit margin. Next category we're going to be taking a look at is the momentum. So we're going to be looking at the 52-week range, and we're trying to find the stock that is the highest percentage off of the 52-week range to signal the biggest discount. The last category we're going to be looking at is the dividend. So we're going to be taking a look at the forward dividend yield, the forward annual payout, and the payout ratio, all from Seeking Alpha, as well as the 1, 5, and 10-year dividend growth rates from Dividend.com. The winner will be decided by the total number of points received out of 10 possible points and revealed at the end of the episode. All right, so setting the stage for these two stocks, we have Interpublic Group of Companies, stock ticker IPG, and Omnicom Group, stock ticker OMC. They are both in the advertising sub-industry within the media industry that is a part of the communication services sector. All right, so the market cap is the first thing we're going to look at. Company A has a market cap of $12.33 billion, while Company B has a market cap of $15.84 billion. And then I wanted to give you guys a little chart where you guys can see what the difference between those amounts are. This one is relatively close in market cap. Again, no points are rewarded for this, just informational purposes. Next category we have is growth. So you can see that Company A has a revenue year-over-year growth of 14.62%, while Company B has a revenue year-over-year of 8.2%. So Company A gets the win for that. And revenue 3-year CAGR, Company A has a 4.05, and Company B actually has a negative 1.92. So Company A gets the point for that. So the growth category, Company A gets both points, and they lead the series 2-0. Next category we're taking a look at is profitability. So you can see that Company A has a gross profit margin of 23.08%, while Company B has a gross profit margin of 19.14%. Company A's gross profit margin is higher, so they get the point for this category, and they lead with a current score of 3-0. Next category we're going to be taking a look at is momentum. So you can see here that Company A has a 52-week high of $39.98. Their current price as of close of market on Friday was $30.67. Which means they are 23% off of their all-time highs. Transitioning into Company B, they had a 52-week high of $91.61. Their current price was $74.86, putting them 18% off of their all-time high. Again, the winner of this category is Company A, getting one more point and bringing their total score of 4-0. Last category we have is the dividends. So you guys can see here, Company A has a forward dividend yield of 3.78%. Company B with 3.74, so while very close, Company A gets the point. Company A has a forward annual payout of $1.16, while Company B has a forward annual payout of $2.80, so there's the first point for Company B. We have a payout ratio of 41.98% for Company A and a payout ratio of 43.14% for Company B. Very close, Company A gets the point. We have a 1-year dividend growth rate of 5.88% for Company A and 7.69% for Company B. So there's the second point for Company B. 5-year dividend growth rate of 12.47% for company A, and a 5.43% 5-year dividend growth rate for company B, so that's a point for company A, and a 10-year dividend growth rate of 16.23% for company A, with a 10.84% 10-year dividend growth rate for company B, so that's another point for company A. The result of the dividend category is 4 points to company A and 2 points to company B. The final results are company A with 8 points and company B with 2 points, and company A is Interpublic Group of Companies, stock ticker IPG. So according to the metrics I used and the time I completed my research, IPG is the best dividend stock in the advertising sub-industry within the media industry within communication services sector. So what my plan is for the Versus series going forward is there are actually 4 other sub-industries within the media industry. So I'm going to let all those stocks battle it out with the metrics that I picked. And then they're going to all compete for the media industry within communication services. And then the best from the media is going to fight the other industries in the communication services sector. And the final 2 stocks that are the best are going to fight to be the best communication services sector stock. So stay tuned for that. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Please remember to like the video if you guys enjoyed today's content. And also subscribe to the channel for new dividend related content every Monday and Friday. So on Mondays, we're going to do the Versus series for the foreseeable future, where we're going to try to find the best dividend stock in sub-industries, industries, and eventually in the sectors, as well as Fridays, where I'm going to give you guys the stocks to review for next week. If you guys want to, please comment down below and let me know which of these 2 stocks you like the most and why. But until next time, see ya.